Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our first module on another proposed newly launched YouTube channel under title Relativity and Cosmology by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay? Relativity and Cosmology by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. The purpose of this video lecture is just to introduce textbooks to be followed in our upcoming regular video lectures. Okay, dear students, these books have been classified into two categories. Okay, first category is that of general physics books, which cover all branches of physics, all courses of physics, but our relevant course has very small proportion in those general physics books. Okay, while other category is that of subject specific books, which cover major course outlines. Okay, so first we come towards the first category of these books recommended from where we are concerned only to relevant chapters of these books. Okay, the whole books are not relevant to our course under discussion. Okay, so we start with the first category of books. Okay, foundation level contents, that is chapters. First book is Fundamentals of Physics Extended, Halliday and Resnick, Journal Walker, publisher is Wiley. Its 10th edition 2014 or 11th edition 2018 will be observed, will be followed. This book contains about 45 or 46 chapters, but our concerned chapter dealing with relativity is chapter number 37. Okay, only chapter number 37 of this book is our concerned chapter. Okay, next book is Sears and Zemanski's University Physics with Modern Physics. Authors are Hugh D. Young, Roger A. Friedman, A. Lewis Ford. Publisher is Pearson. Is its 14th edition 2016 or 15th edition 2020 will be observed or followed. Okay, this book again contains about 45 chapters. Out of these 45 chapters, our concerned chapters are chapter number 37 and 34. Okay, only chapter number 34, only chapter number 37, chapter number 37 and chapter number 44 are our concerned chapters to the extent of our course under discussion, that is relativity and cosmology. Okay, next book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Its authors are Raymond A. Survey and John W. Jude Jr. Okay, its publisher is Cengage. Its 9th edition 2014 or 10th edition 2019 will be observed. This book again contains about 46 or 47 chapters. Okay, but our concerned chapters in this book are chapter number 39 and chapter number 46. Okay, chapter number 39 and chapter number 46 of this book are our concerned chapters. Next book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Author is Douglas C. Giancoli. Publisher is Pearson. Its 4th edition 2009 or 5th edition 2021 or probably 2022 will be followed. This book again contains about 45 or 46 chapters. but our concerned chapters are chapter number 36 and chapter number 44. Okay, only chapter number 36 and chapter number 44 of this book are our concerned chapters. Next book is Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane. Publisher is Wiley. Its third edition 2012 or fourth edition 2020 will be followed. Its chapters, its two chapters are our concerned chapters. Okay, that is chapter number 2, second chapter, and chapter number 15. Okay, second chapter and 15th chapter of this book are our concerned chapters. Okay, next book is Modern Physics for Scientists and Engineers. Authors are Stephen T. Thornton, Andrew Rex, and Carol E. Hood. Its publisher is Cengage. Its fourth edition 2013 or fifth edition 2021 will be observed. Its three chapters are our relevant chapters. Okay, those chapters are chapter number 2, chapter number 15, and chapter number 16. Okay, that is second chapter, 15th chapter, and 16th chapter of this book are our concerned chapters. Next book is Concepts of Modern Physics by Arthur Weiser. Arthur Weiser. Publisher is McGraw-Hill. Its 6th edition 2003 or 7th edition 2015 will be followed. Only its first chapter is our concerned chapter. Okay, only chapter number 1 is our concerned chapter. Next book is Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler, Ralph A. Llewellyn. Ralph A. Llewellyn. Its publisher is W. H. Freeman. Its 5th edition 2008 or 6th edition 2012 will be followed. Its three chapters are our relevant chapters, that is first, second, and 13th chapter. Okay, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and chapter number 13 of this book are our concerned chapters. Next book is Modern Physics by Raymond A. Survey, Clement J. Moses, Kurt A. Moyer. Its publisher is Thomson. Its third edition 2005 will be observed, will be followed. Its three chapters are our concerned chapters, that is chapter number 1, 2, and 16. Okay, first, second, and 16th chapter of this book are our relevant chapters. The next book is Ahmad A. Kamal, 1000 Solved Problems in Modern Physics. Publisher is Springer, and edition is that of 2010. Its chapter number 6 is our concerned chapter. Okay, only 6th chapter is our relevant chapter. Now we come to our second category of books, which are major course related books. Okay, main books. Okay, higher level books than foundation level books. Okay, first book is Gravity, an Introduction to Einstein's General Relativity. Its author is James B. Hartle. Okay, publisher is Edison Wesley, and the edition is that of 2003. Okay, the next book is A First Course in General Relativity. Its author is Bernard F. Schutz. Okay, somewhat unusual names. However, I pronounce names of these authors as I can. There may be some irregularity in the pronunciation of these names. Okay, its publisher is Cambridge University Press, and its second edition 2009 will be followed. Next book is Introduction to Cosmology. Author is Jayant V. Narlikar. Okay, again very unusual name. Jayant V. Narlikar. Okay, J. V. Narlikar. Cambridge University Press, second edition 1993 will be followed. Next book is Space, Time and Geometry, an introduction to general relativity. Its author is Sean Carroll. Publisher is Addison Wesley and edition is that of 2004. Next book is Gravitation and Cosmology, Principles and Applications of the General Theory of Relativity. Its author is Steven Weinberg. Okay, Steven Weinberg. Its publisher is Wiley India Private Limited. Okay, and edition is that of 2008. Okay, dear students, actually such books have their original edition is very back. I think perhaps this book was published in 1972, and this is a reproduction of that edition. Okay. Anyhow, next book is Relativity, Gravitation and Cosmology. Its author is Robert J. A. Lambourne. Okay, again unusual name. Publisher is Cambridge University Press and the edition is that of 2010. Next book is Introducing Einstein's Relativity. Author is Ray D. Inverno. Okay, again very unusual name, very difficult to pronounce. However, I pronounce it as I can. Ray D. Inverno. Clarendon Press, Oxford, 1998. Next book is Dynamics and Relativity. Author is William David M.C. Cumb. Again, this name is very unusual. M.C. Cumb, MacCumb, perhaps. William David M.C. Cumb, Oxford University Press, 1999. Next book is Special Relativity for the Enthusiastic Beginner. Special Relativity for the Enthusiastic Beginner, David J. Morin, Harvard University. Publisher is Create Space, 2017. Next book is Introduction to General Relativity, a course for undergraduate students of physics. Undergraduate lecture notes in physics. Author is Cosimo Bembi. Okay, again very unusual name. Cosimo Bembi. Publisher is Springer and the edition is that of 2018. And this is the end of our module.